Light speed, a cosmic messenger. Light. It illuminates our world, paints the sky with vibrant colors, and allows us to see the universe around us. From the gentle glow of dawn to the fiery hues of sunset, light is a constant companion in our daily lives. But did you know that light travels at the fastest speed possible? It's a speed so immense that it boggles the mind. That's right, nothing in the cosmos can outpace the speed of light, clocking in at a staggering 186,282 miles per second. To put that into perspective, it's like traveling from New York to Los Angeles in less than a blink of an eye. That's fast enough to circle the Earth over 7 times in just 1 second. Imagine the sheer speed and energy required to achieve such a feat. Light is not just fast, it's our cosmic messenger, carrying information across vast distances. It bridges the gap between stars, planets, and galaxies, connecting the universe in a web of light. When we gaze at the stars, we're actually seeing light that has journeyed for years, centuries, or even millennia to reach our eyes. Each twinkle is a story from the past, a glimpse into the history of the cosmos. Think of it this way. Imagine shining a flashlight into space. That beam of light is like a message in a bottle, drifting through the vast ocean of the universe. The beam of light doesn't just disappear, it continues traveling outwards, carrying a tiny piece of your presence across the universe. It's a reminder of how interconnected we are with the cosmos, and how light serves as the ultimate cosmic messenger, bridging the vast distances of space and time. The astronomical yardstick, measuring the gulf to the sun. Now let's talk about our very own star, the sun. It's a massive, glowing sphere of hot plasma at the center of our solar system. It's our primary source of light and heat, but it sits incredibly far away. The distance is so vast that it can be hard to comprehend. Measuring such vast distances in miles would be like measuring the width of a hair using football fields. Imagine trying to use a football field to measure something as tiny as a hair. It just wouldn't make sense. Instead, astronomers use a more convenient unit called the astronomical unit, or AU for short. This unit helps simplify the enormous distances in space. 1 AU represents the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, roughly 93 million miles. This standard unit makes it easier to communicate and understand the vastness of space. To put that into perspective, if you could somehow drive a car to the sun at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour, it would take you a whopping 177 years to get there. That's longer than most human lifespans, highlighting just how immense the distance truly is. Sunlight's journey, a matter of minutes, not miles. We know light travels insanely fast, and we know the sun is incredibly far away. But have you ever wondered just how fast and how far? So how long does it actually take for sunlight to reach our planet? The answer might surprise you. Well, light from the sun takes approximately 8.3 minutes to travel the 93 million miles to Earth. Let's break that down to understand it better. Light covers 186,282 miles every second. That's incredibly fast, almost unimaginable. To find out how many seconds it takes to reach Earth, we divide the total distance, 93 million miles, by the speed of light. This simple calculation reveals the journey's duration. This means that every sunrise you witness, every beautiful morning, every ray of sunshine warming your skin, bringing life and energy to our world, and every twinkling star you observe at night, each one a distant sun, is a glimpse into the past. The light you see has traveled vast distances, taking minutes or even years to reach you, connecting you to the universe in a profound way. The sun, 8 minutes ago, a glimpse into the past. The 8.3-minute travel time for sunlight has some fascinating implications. When you look at the sun, never directly of course, you're not seeing it as it is right now, but as it was 8.3 minutes ago. If the sun were to suddenly vanish, don't worry, it won't. We wouldn't know for over 8 minutes because we'd still be bathed in its light from the past. This concept of seeing the past through light is fundamental to astronomy. The farther away an object is in space, the older its light is when it reaches us. Distant stars, ancient light looking back in time. Think about the stars you see shimmering in the night sky. Some of them are so far away that their light has been traveling for hundreds, thousands, or even millions of years to reach us. When we observe these distant stars, we're essentially looking back in time, witnessing them as they were when that light first embarked on its journey across the cosmos. The light we see today from these celestial objects carries within it the story of their past, revealing secrets about their evolution, composition, and the history of our vast universe. Light, a cosmic time machine. In a very real sense, light acts as a cosmic time machine, allowing us to peer into the distant past and unravel the mysteries of the universe. Every photon of light that reaches our eyes carries a story billions of years in the making. By studying this ancient light, we unlock secrets about the formation of galaxies, the birth and death of stars, and the very fabric of space-time itself. So the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin or gaze up at a star-filled sky, remember this: you're not just witnessing light, you're experiencing the awe-inspiring vastness of space and time.